Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products for every occasion. Today, we're talking about the GSLMOLN men's slip-on breathable walking shoes. And let me tell you, these might just be the best lime green boots you'll ever own. If you're in the market for stylish, comfortable, and ultra-lightweight shoes that can handle any activity, this is definitely the shoe for you. Right off the bat, the GSLMOLN walking shoes stand out with their vibrant, eye-catching lime green color. If you want to make a bold statement wherever you go, these shoes deliver. The first thing you'll notice about these shoes is how breathable they are. The mesh upper keeps your feet cool and dry, which makes them perfect for long hours of wear, whether you're at the gym, out for a walk, or running errands. The mesh material is soft and lightweight, so you won't feel weighed down, yet it's strong enough to offer excellent durability. These shoes also feature a slip-on design, making them incredibly convenient to put on and take off. There's no need to fuss with laces, simply slide them on, and you're good to go. The ankle design provides extra protection, ensuring that your feet stay safe and comfortable during any activity. Whether you're strolling around the city or tackling an intense workout, these shoes are designed to provide the support you need. One of the standout features of these shoes is their slip-resistant sole. The premium hollow blade sole offers superior traction, which is especially useful if you plan to use them in a variety of environments. From outdoor adventures to indoor workouts, you can trust that these shoes will keep you steady on your feet. The shoes are designed to be versatile as well. Whether you're hitting the gym, going for a casual outing, or just relaxing at home, these shoes will blend seamlessly with your outfit. They're perfect for any occasion, from a run to a party, or even a simple walk in the park. They're not just shoes, they're a statement of comfort and style. In terms of comfort, these shoes are made to feel like a second skin. The EVA non-slip outsole provides excellent shock absorption, making each step feel cushioned and soft. The interior is lined with breathable knitted materials, ensuring that your feet stay fresh and dry even after long periods of wear. Plus, the shoes retain their shape, even after cleaning, which means they'll look good for a long time. To sum it up, the GSLMOLN men's slip-on breathable walking shoes are a top choice for anyone who values style, comfort, and functionality. If you're looking for something that stands out and performs well, these shoes are a must-have. The vibrant lime green color, combined with the breathable, lightweight design and slip-resistant sole, makes these shoes the perfect all-around choice. Don't miss out on the chance to elevate your footwear game with the best lime green boots you can find.